I have just received a new cat in my care, actually a kitten because he is about 6 months old. A friend of mine was trying to catch this kitten since a few weeks already. She finally managed to catch the kitten using a trap cage. She took the kitten immediately at the vet. Initially she thought it was a female and of course she needed to be spayed. But she had a surprise because he is actually a male, not a female. The problem was that he was quite aggressive at the vet and she considered that she couldn't handle him, so she asked for my help. Of course I couldn't say no, so now here he is. He has just arrived. For the moment I see he is pretty calm. I have an important mission now. I have to help him to get over this fear. I have to help him to understand that he is safe and that he is loved, so that I can make him ready to get adopted. Having in mind that he lived as a stray in some conditions that weren't too good. Of course, he must receive now the internal and the external deworming. I also have to put him some food and some water, so wish me luck. So let's see what happens. First of all, I will put him the external deworming. I'm going to use a towel because he's pretty scared and I don't want to get scratched. And I did it that easy. You know what? I think he's not such an aggressive cat. I think he might have been just too scared after he was trapped. So I'll take my chance to try to touch him a little. But I'm going to be very careful. Hey baby. I'm going to give him the internal deworming now. This will be a little bit more difficult, but I will try to throw it in his mouth. I'm sorry, but you had to receive it. This was too easy. That's it. I'm done with the treatments. I'm done, baby. I'm done with the treatment. Don't be scared. Now is the moment to receive some good food. Yeah? I'm done with the treatments, really. Here is some water for you. Yes, you want some water? When you are thirsty? It's not the time for you to eat, my darlings. You will eat a little later, not now.